Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Excellent morning to you. I'm super excited. I'm super pumped today. It's a new day, a brand new day, a brand new week. It's officially week 32 of our weekly Forex analysis, our review we do every week. And you know how we do it. Drop your location in the chat box. You know how we do it. Drop your location in the chat box. For clarity's sake, this video is not sponsored. Some product links are affiliate links, which means if you buy something, we'll receive a small commission. It is not sponsored, all right? These videos are not sponsored. So what I want you to do right now is to subscribe to this channel, like this video so YouTube can recommend it to other people, and then drop a comment, all right? When you share the link with someone who you love to see win in this forex market, you're trying to help them. So go ahead and share the link out. Don't procrastinate. Do it now. Don't procrastinate. Do it now. All right. All right. So you join our Telegram channel for free forex signals and success tips. I want to see you win. So who is with me here? Oh my God! See, the chat box is blowing up already. 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 Oh my God. The chat box is blowing up already. Amazing. Good morning, Gabriel. Good morning, Peter. Good morning, All in Football. Good morning, Rocky TV. Good from Mundo State. Awesome. Awesome. From Delta State. Awesome. You've got new student this morning. Lord. Oh, wow. Rocky TV. I want to see you win. So ensure you stay connected to this. All right. What I do many times is when we have new students in our community, I try to connect with them. All right. And you are a new student in this community. So you're very much welcome. You're very much welcome. We have Afe from Morocco. Awesome. We have Ayo Mori from Chevron, Lagos. Awesome. All in Football says, okay, coach. We have Rocky TV from Ekiti State. I need more comments. We are over 10 right now. All right. I need more comments. Where are you joining from? Where are you joining us from? What location? We have Noah Silas. He says, good morning from Borno State. Good morning from Borno State. Good morning from Borno State. Awesome. Oh my God. So, you know what we're going to do right now? Good morning, boss from Anambra, Eke Buisi Emmanuel. Eke Buisi Emmanuel. Amazing. We have David from Abuja. David, you're my namesake. Oh my God. You're my namesake. Oh my God. Wow, you're my namesake, David. So what I'm going to do to David, because you're my namesake, is send me a message on Instagram. I want to connect with you. I like people that bear my name. So you bear David, send me a message on Instagram. I want to know you. All right, my Instagram name is I am David Achon. Go ahead and send me a message, and then let's connect. We have Oluwasegun Steven. Good morning. That's Aduagbemi. He's on the VIP community. This guy is cashing out crazily. All right, crazy cash out. Badejo Timilehin. I'm sure everybody by now, you all know Badejo Timilehin. He says, good morning, my phenomenal coach. Good morning, my phenomenal boy. He's cashing out crazily. He's very consistent, very humble guy, and when you have a lot of money and you are humble, you know what that means now. God is going to even like elevate you more. All right, and that's who Timile Badejo is. I'm proud of him so much. Sheyi Fumi from Ogun State. We have Charis. Oh my God, guys, you know who Charis is? Charis Trading Institute. That's Mr. Francis Bala. Did I pronounce that name very well? Mizonga. Did I pronounce it well? Mizonga. Please tell me if I pronounced it well. Mizonga. All right. Mizonga. Mizonga is Mr. Francis Bala. He's Pastor Ejimi. Ejimi. So he's Pastor Ejimi's so I say not closest, but then closest at the same time. Is the right hand man in the trading institute. So he was working with Value Flow and as Pastor Jimmy's right hand man. So thank you, Cherish FX, for joining us right here. I love you so much. And I'm grateful, bro. I'm so grateful. Badejo is in Lagos. Adragbemi is in Lagos. See, very soon when we are doing this live, because I'll be hearing Badejo Timileyin from Seychelles. I'll be hearing Oluwasegun Stephen from Morocco. I'll be hearing Forex blogger Ayo live in Texas. All right? So you guys just take it a step after another. Don't worry. You're coming with full force. Do you hear me? We're coming with full force. This Forex market, we're going to milk it. We're going to milk it. I can promise you that. We're going to milk this market. So just relax. From Eco, I hail Forex blogger Ayo. Everybody knows him by now. If you don't know Forex blogger Ayo, I guess you're not a trader. If you have not heard of Forex blogger Ayo before, I guess you're not a trader. So Forex blogger Ayo is like the Tunde Not of our industry. Great guy, very humble guy, and I love him so much. Yeah, all in football. He says it's like I'll change my name. Just the play. Good morning. Good morning, Vivian, all the way from my Mina, Niger State. I've never been to Niger State, though, and I would like to visit Niger State. So, Mina and Vivian, if you have a community of maybe 10 Forex traders, invite me over. I promise I'm going to come there. How was my week? You mean last week? Oh, last week was good. Last week was good. Though it was not what I expected. I had greater plans for last week. But when I was reviewing last week and I was kind of sad that I didn't make the money I was expecting to make, God told me, said, the money you made, some people have not made it in their whole life. So why are you proud? All right. So I'm so sorry, Lord. And then I started thanking him. It doesn't matter how much. Some people have never made that money in their life. Even if it's 1 million naira, some people have not seen 1 million naira cash. All right. So Alex, I celebrate you too. Bala Francis, big name, big name, big name, big name. You say it's Bala Francis. Okay, so I should not put Mizonga, abi? Yeah, no, I'll not put it. Big name, big name, big name, big name, big name. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We have Faye Junior from Meduguri. Gozie, good morning. See how he's praising my boss, my mentor, my Bala. Oh, no, he's actually a big man. You understand? I'm not going to hide it. One thing about value or honor or respect is honor begats honor. So he has honored me by joining this. I'm mandated to reciprocate that honor to him, all right? Because he would have chosen not to. I mean, this is 8 a.m. What if he's still sleeping? And then out of his busy schedule, he came on here. And not just that he came on here, I saw him, he posted it on his WhatsApp status. All right, let me show you. So you don't think I'm joking right now. Look at this. He posted it on his WhatsApp status. Francis Bala Mizonga. He invited everybody to this. I mean, that's honor. He deserves greater honor than I even gave to him. So, guys, please help me celebrate Mr. Francis one more time. I love you so much. Thank you. So it's Dubai I want to, like Mr. Dab. So yeah, now anything, there's no limit to your abilities. As long as you can think it, you can have it. That's how life is. Okay. Um. Good morning, Collins. It's been a while. I saw you on the call. Are you good? I swear, I love your work, sir. Oh, thank you. I love you too. Zaria Kaduna. Awesome stuff. So, guys, I want you to do something real quick before we go into the chat. With all the energy in you, I want you to type, I am a winner. I already won. Go ahead and type it. I am a winner. I already won. I am a winner. I already won. Type it to the chat box right now. I am a winner, comma, I already won. I am a winner. I already won. Mr. Francis asked you guys to join safe. Wow, awesome. He deserves more, yeah. Type it in the chat box before we go right into the chat. We want to look at the chat and let's see what is cooking. I'm a winner. I already won. Go ahead. Let's go. Let me see everything in the chat box. Let me see everything you're writing in the chat box. I want to see all the I'm a winner. I already won. Go ahead and type it in the chat box right now. See everywhere. It's blowing up. I am a winner. I already won. First blogger yours says I'm a winner. I already won. Oh my god. I'm a winner. I already won. I'm a winner. I already won. I already won. Awesome stuff. I'm a winner. I already won. I'm a winner. I already won. Weekly analysis no be something to me, so I've been there. Oh wow, awesome. Collins have been joining this call for, if I'm not mistaken, he's been with us for the past 4 or 5 months, if I'm not mistaken. I'm a winner. I already won. I'm a winner. I already won. I'm a winner. I already won. I already won. And so shall it be unto you in the name of Jesus. Amen. Success from Lagos. Awesome. Your name is Success, and you're going to have massive success this week. I can promise you that by the Spirit of the Lord. I'm a winner. I already won. I'm a winner. I already won. I'm a winner. I already won. Awesome stuff. So let's go into the chat. Don't forget what we do usually. We take a short screen record of what's going on, and then we upload it. You tag me, let everybody know what's going on here, so they can join. I mean, this is free. We do it every week, so why not we increase the numbers? There's nothing bad in increasing the numbers. Okay, there's really nothing bad in increasing the numbers. Oh my God. Thank you, Jesus, for wisdom. Thank you for strength. Thank you for your guidance. And thank you for right now, because we know that you're going to guide us into what to do, when to do, why to do, and with whom to do. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. So this is it. Before I just start analyzing, let me share with you guys the strategy we use in analyzing. Guys, please, I want to send it now. Everybody go ahead and check the Telegram. I'm so sorry if you're not on the Telegram. That's why I'm putting this thing to show you up and down. Join the Telegram if you're not there, because I'm going to send something there right now. That's the strategy I use to trade, and it's 100% free. 100% free. That's the strategy I use to trade. I'm going to send it right now. So I just sent it to the Telegram. So want to look at the market with this strategy right now. So please go ahead and join the Telegram. Let's do that together. Just go to Telegram and search elevator trading. You see my profile picture there or something, right? Or you click on, or you just copy the link and paste on your Google Chrome or something. We are about to look at the chart right now, and I want us to look at it based on the strategy I used to analyze. All right, based on the strategy I used to analyze. So you don't mind my nose. I've been having like running nose for almost a week now. So please don't mind me. All right, I guess everybody has done that so that we can go into it right now. So the first instruction, we're going to use a clean chart. A clean chart. That's the first thing we'll do. We use a clean chart. As though we don't know what to do or what we're doing. So let's remove all these things. Okay, first instruction, please follow me. All right, it's recorded so you can rewatch it again if you're confused. And if you have questions, please just ask on the chat box. I can promise you by the power of God, I will respond. All right, someone's asking, where's the Telegram link? It's what is scrolling on your screen. But let me just type it in the comment section just for clarity's sake. More love to Mr. Francis. Awesome, awesome, awesome stuff. So the Telegram link is what's showing on your screen right now. All right, because I'm about to analyze the market using the same strategy. I'm about to analyze the market using the same strategy. I'm about to analyze the market using the same strategy. Guys, I want us to do something also. All right, I don't know if King Souls is on this call. King Souls, if you're on the call, please let me know quickly. Let me know. Let me know. Are you on the call? Are you on the call? Quickly, quickly. Because he just sent me a screenshot of something and I feel so grateful. I feel so grateful. Before we continue, I feel so grateful. I feel so grateful. All right. King Souls, if you're on this call, let me know quickly. So he just sent me something that he sends to his VIP mentees on the announcement platform right on Discord. See, I feel so grateful. Wow. Wow. It's King Souls. Oh, his network is loading. But then look at what he sent to me. That means this guy literally sent out the call link to his VIP community. Though he just sent it right now, but it doesn't matter when he sent it. Like, that's a nice one. I just randomly shared it with him. I'm like, Baba, you're joined. Let's do something. And then he did it. I'm so grateful. Let's celebrate King Souls on the call right now. If you don't know King Souls is Happy's first son. Happy Forex first son. All right. So if you don't know King Souls, that's who he is. Happy Forex first son, and he's soon becoming a global name. Right now, he's already a compound name. Everybody knows him. Everybody knows him. But soon he's going to make a very big impact in this Forex market. All right. So I want you guys to please help me celebrate King Souls. Just write, thank you, King Souls. Thank you, King Souls. Thank you, King Souls. Awesome, awesome, awesome stuff. So while that is going on, let's quickly look at the chart based on our strategy we use in analyzing. So first instruction says, before this strategy can be useful to you, you must first mark out psychological levels throughout your chart of your most traded pairs. For any currency pair, apart from JPY pairs, my preferred levels are price points whose last three digits are 000. For example, my psychological, be careful with that. Be careful with that. Yeah? I'm in a class now, you're disturbing me. All right. So, for example, your psychological levels on GBP USD could be 100 pips away from each other. That is 1.12000, 1.13000, 1.14000, etc. So let's just do that right now. Let's do that first. They say 100 pips. Right now we have 1.28000. 8000. Then what we'll do is we'll copy, I will clone rather, and edit this new next one. It says 1.29000. We'll clone again. Like this what I've done already in my chart. So that's why I said before the strategy can be useful to you, you have to have these things marked out already. 1.30000. Then let's do 1.27. 1.27000. 1.27000. Then we'll do one last one, 1.26. All right, just for now. But me, I've marked it out all over my chart, on my other exchange where I look at the market. So now we have this marked out. Next instruction says this makes it easier for you to know where to place SL and / or TP. Now, what's the first thing we do? We identify the trend. On what time frame? It says on the H4 time frame, identify the overall market trend by spotting the direction of the larger candles that forms new highs or lows. On the H4, we're on the H4 right now. I'm not here to analyze anything for you based on what swing positions we are in. For example, you can call this a downtrend, but remember overall it is uptrend here. You can call this place a downtrend. Remember overall it's uptrend here. You understand? Same way you can call this a downtrend, but we never can tell if it's an uptrend or not. But then the H4 is just telling us right now what's the direction of the larger candles that are producing highs or lows. Right now, we are having higher candles producing more lows than highs. Right now as we speak. So right now, it's safe to say we are in a downtrend. Whether overall we are in an uptrend or not, right now, H4 is safe to say we are in a what? We are in a downtrend. It's safe. Look at what I'm saying. Because we have equal highs here, right? And what is an uptrend? An uptrend is higher highs, higher lows. After equal highs and equal lows, what we had was a break of the uptrend and a retest of it. A retest of this whole zone right here. And then price went up again, came down to retest this whole zone based on structure. Price went up. Right now, it's sort of retesting this zone. But whatever, we are looking at the current bias of the market on the H4 is a downtrend, whether or not we are in an overall bullish move. I hope you get that. So let me clear this noise. So we have done the first instruction, which is to identify the trend. All right, the trend is bearish right now on H4. We are bearish right now on H4. We are bearish right now on H4. And if you want to use the overall trend, don't do it on your H4, because unless you are looking to mark out structural levels, then you can go ahead and do it on your H4. But if you are trying to look at the overall trend, remember H4, one candle is 4 hours. And if you're looking at all of this is over a month candle that is going down, yet you're trying to say the overall trend is bullish and you want to be buying, that will not be a safe option. If you do overall trend, you want to look at the trend based on many candles, then do it on a 15 minutes, 5 minutes, or maybe 1 hour. Maybe 1 hour time frame. That's many candles together. I hope that makes sense. So right now we are seeing a bearish bias on the H4. Second instruction says plot a trend line. Now, there's a direction for plotting the trend line. Please follow me. It says mark out support or resistance levels closest to where the market currently is, using a trend line to connect at least 2 price points from the beginning of each new swing. Now we have a new swing here. That is this swing sell that I marked out as our downtrend. So we're supposed to use this trend line to connect swings. It says mark out support or resistance levels to levels closest to where market currently is. Now this is a support level, resistance level rather, resistance level, resistance level. These are support levels close to where market is. This level, support level. But it says we're supposed to use trend line to connect 2 major price points at least. At least. If you do like this, in your mind you have drawn a trend line, which is good. 1, 2. But that will not be the safest way to draw the trend line in this particular market, because you're only connecting the wicks. It's good to connect wicks and not ignore wicks. But for a swing, we are supposed to look at the body too. So I would rather, instead of drawing my trend line from here, I would rather draw my trend line from one swing and then this body right here. So this second touch or this third touch, and then that's been invalidated. So this is safe to say is invalidated, because we have had a first touch, we have had a second touch, we have had a third touch, we have had a break and a retest already. Are you with me? We have had a break and a retest already. Now, this swing sell, I'm trying to connect. What's the word now? I'm trying to draw a trend line to connect the swing sell. Now, but I'm drawing a bullish trend line. What do I mean? This is 1, this is 2. Let's see what the market. Okay, so we have 1, 2. On the selling part of things, we also have 1, 2. Let's leave the both of them like that first. Let's go into the next instruction. Next instruction says draw a Fibonacci. Remember, we're trying to sell. But the reason I drew that bullish trend line is if you see a break and a retest of it, possibly there's a sell coming in. Or if you go to a lower time frame, we might see a clear bias for a buy. Right now, our bias is still for a sell, because when we identified the trend as instruction 1, we saw it as a bearish trend. Am I talking too much? Do you understand what I said? I want you to talk to me in the chat box. Do you understand what I said? King Soul's mentees are here. Wow, power. Thank you, man. Thank you, King Souls. Thank you, King Souls. Thank you. Sir, please, can you drop the Telegram link? Oh, I dropped it. Look at it right here. It's on the screen. It's on the screen. All right. So we have Abdul Salam Selim says Frank Egon mentees are here. Oh, Frank Egon, awesome. So how many of you guys know Frank Egon? He's like a big guy in Abuja. He's a big trader. Frank Egon, he's a big trader. A very big trader, right? So I sent him the link also, and he did this, shared with his community. So what I want you guys to do is help me appreciate Frank Egon. Like, Frank, we appreciate you for bringing up more people on the call. I mean, it's free, and we do it every week, like every week, and it is free, like 100% free. So you guys go ahead and celebrate him. Thank you very much, man. Frank Egon everywhere. Oh, Frank Egon is very popular, man. So you guys are with me. It says ride on. What am I riding? Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. What am I riding? Okay, unless you mean vehicle. Okay. Oh, I'm riding. Okay. Sorry, man. Oh my god. Bala Francis mentees are here. Awesome. I like what I'm seeing today. I love what I'm seeing today. So you guys just go ahead and maybe do a short screen record or something, upload on your Instagram, tag me, I'll repost. I promise you that. I am David Achon on Instagram. Yeah, on Instagram. Chinaza Ibemere. Jesus. I can remember. Oh my god. Guys, when I started learning Forex, the very first coach I had in my entire life And she also taught me the charts. I will not lie to you. She sat me down not once, not twice, not three times. Oh my God. Wow, God, I'm grateful. I call her Coach Lucy. She's married already. She has a very beautiful baby. My godson, she has a beautiful baby. Her name is Chinaza Idemere. Oh my God. She's not that social person, but she knows the Forex market and she taught me. She was the very first coach I had ever in my life. I think she taught me Forex closely for about 3 months or so. Thank you very much. Wow. Wow. Thank you for joining this live session. Wow. Wow. The Flash says, good morning. First time on this live call. Awesome. You're welcome, man. Also from Frank Egon. Wow. Power, 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 power. Thank you so much, Coach Lucy, for joining. Ah, wow. I'm grateful. Jesus. So go ahead and do a short screen record. Upload on Instagram. I'm going to repost you. I'm going to repost it. So, let's focus. Let's focus. Let's focus. The next instruction, it says draw your Fibonacci, but it says go to your 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame. Okay, you're on the 1 hour time frame now. On the 1 hour time frame now. So I think it's even safer for me to use the bullish trend line we drew until there's a bias until price gets to a sell zone. So for that sell zone, let's go back to 4 hours and mark out the sell zones we're looking at. Let's mark out the sell zones we're looking at right here. Market is not even it's not what's the word? It's not confusing. So you should not confuse yourself. All right, sell zones. I like to mark out the weeks also. Don't ignore the weeks on our sell zones. Now someone's asking why did I pick this place? We have confluences here. Price came here, price came here, price came here, and every time price went there, it fell down. When price did the reverse of it, it went up. Broke it, did the reverse of it, went down. I mean, so to me, that's a good confluence for a sell. That's one of it. And that's a psychological level of 2 is 500 around it. 2 is 500 around it. So to me, that's a good one. Then support levels or resistance levels. You have another one right here. This is a good support level right here, or resistance level at the same time, like I said. All right. Let's see if you can see any. This would have been one, but I've not seen any other confluence with it. So I'm holding on. Let me see if I can see on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we're trying to form something on the daily, but it's not clear. If you check it, we're trying to form head and shoulder. It's just not clear yet. Then this double bottom into the shoulder, and then we'll see massive dump. Usually it dumps and does a quick retest before going down further. This is just my bias, but I might be wrong. This is just my bias, and I might be wrong. The truth is, there's no right, there's no wrong in this market as long as you're cashing out. That's why I was buying last week, someone was selling. After I made my profit from buying, immediately I said, guys, close. The person sell activated. I mean, as long as it didn't hit his SL, no problem. All right, so I want you guys to take your mind off who is wrong or who is right, but rather focus on. Okay, awesome. But rather focus on fulfilling the market conditions, your trading instructions rather. So we have marked out on the first shoulder of the head. We have marked out this. On the daily, there's also another place to mark out, which is the body, and it has a confluence of this other zone I was telling you about. So the body right here. That's the confluence of this other zone. So that's also a strong price point. I'm trying to look for price points closest to where market is. Every other one is noise. So to me, that's okay. To me, that's okay. I didn't see any other price points that I want to consider that I deem fit for the job. The rest are noise, in my opinion. In my opinion, the rest are noise. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Based on what I showed you on the daily already, you can guess that price is trying to rally up so it can sell. But let's not have a bias in the market. That's the way I like to trade. I like to trade without a bias. Personally, I like to trade without a bias until I see price react before I will react. Until I see price act before I will react. I don't want to act and expect price to react based on what I did. I sold and I'm expecting price to sell. Nope. I want price to show me a sell confirmation before I go ahead and click the sell button. All right. So next instruction here says okay, you say go to H1 time frame, draw a Fibonacci from the most recent high to the most recent low in a downtrend. Remember, we're in a downtrend, so this is most recent high, most recent low. It says draw a Fibonacci from it. Well, that's not the most recent actually. If you draw the structure based on this trend line we did here, let's draw structure. We have a low, a high, a low. We'd have called this another high, right? And then we're expecting a new low or something, right? Now, why did I do what I just did? Someone is wondering in his head, what did Coach David just do? What the fuck? This guy is drunk, blah 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 blah. Let me show you what I just did. Hold on. Based on structure, this is what I just did here. Based on structure, all I did was to click. We have a high from here, a low, a new high, a new low, a new high, a new low. Oh no, let's even ignore this one because I just saw something now. So let's do, we have this high, we have this low, we have this high, we have this low, we have this high, we have this low, which just went below it a little, but it didn't close below, so we'll call it equal lows. That's double bottom. Then now we have a low that is high. You have a low or a high that is lower than the previous high, which is this high. So now we're expecting a new low or something, right? Awesome. So do you now understand what I did when I just cut out this part? When I cut out this, only that part out. Do you now understand what I did? If what I've explained so far makes sense, put 777 in the chat box. If what I explained so far does not make sense, put 555 in the chat box. I beg you. What David just explained, if it makes sense, put 777. If it does not make sense, put 555. Go ahead. I'll wait for you in the chat box. MG from Port Harcourt, awesome. Boss, are you in Lagos? Currently, yes. Chris Godefes, good to be here also from Frank Egon, awesome. From Frank Egon to Ride on, wow, power. Yes, understandable. What pair? Can't see it clearly. GBP USD. Thank you, Forex blogger, yo. If you don't understand, put 555. If you understand, put 777. That's just the conclusion. All in football is GBP USD. 777 Forex blogger. 777 Collins. Forex blogger says makes sense, die. All in football understands. 777 Gabriel 777 Vivian 777 MJ 777 Ifeoluwa Fajemu, oh my god, Faje Milugba. I like that name. What's the meaning of that name? I love that name. Type in the chat box. What's the meaning of that name? 777 Thomas. Awesome. So you guys are with me. That's what it means. You guys are with me. Thank you. Rocky TV 777. You understand? So based on structure, I just drew out structure for you. So based on structure, this is no longer our most recent high. It has been invalidated because we have a new most recent high. And before a place can be called a new high, it means that the low before it has either formed equal lows with the previous low or a lower low. If this place now did not get to this zone, if it starts maybe here, then this would have not been the high. This would have remained the high, and this would have remained the low. We don't have a new high or new low. But because this one formed equal lows, two things that validates a low. If it forms, oh come on, if it forms equal lows or it forms a higher low, rather a lower low in a downtrend. In a downtrend, in an uptrend, it is the highs we are looking at, not the lows. In a downtrend, what makes it, in an uptrend, what makes it an uptrend is the highs that form, new higher highs that form. In a downtrend, what makes it a downtrend is the new lower lows that form. So until there's a lower low or an equal low, that place is not considered a new low. Do you understand? Like, you cannot call this a swing low if it did not come down here to where this previous one was. But because it came down there, that's why we can see that place and what's the word? Call it a low. Do you understand what I'm saying? That's just the only reason. That's just the only reason. So right now we have this low and this high, and we're told to draw Fibonacci from the most recent, because we're in a downtrend, from the most recent high to the most recent low. A downtrend says most recent high to most recent low. And this most recent high, we don't have a most recent a new low. We don't have a new low. So that Fibonacci part of things is ignored, because if we want to do that, that means we have to draw based on the old structure. We don't have a new low, but if we are just trying to pay attention to this part, then we can draw from here to here. Do you understand? That's this place to this place, and then we are respecting 61.8 or 79, right? But right now, because we didn't have a new low form, so I don't even want to do this. This is more like wuru to the answer. In secondary school, some of you will not do your workings. You just put the answer there, and you expect your teacher to mark it. Your teacher will ask you, where did you do the work? You say, I did it at home. I did not bring it. We lied those lies, thinking our teachers were foolish. They were not foolish. They knew what we were doing. They just did not want to complain. They knew that we were lying. We just want to copy the answer from our friend. So I want to have a reason for every action I take in the market. Because we still have this low and this high, no new one, we ignore the part of Fibonacci. Let's go into the next one. It says identify other blocks, go to M15 time frame. Hold on. Still on the 1 hour, guys, before we go into that M15. Still on the 1 hour. What buyers do you now think, from what we have explained so far, what buyers do you now think the market wants to do? I would rather that we draw trend line from year 1, 2, and wait for a third touch for a drop. That's what I would rather that we do. Right? Because if I see this place, I don't like this zone. Personally, just my own, I don't like it. It doesn't look like what I want. And aside that, that's been validated. First, second, look at third one, price has touched it, so I would rather ignore it. But this one is still looking fresh. First touch, second touch, look for a third touch. If price fails that level, that means we'll just wait for a retest of it immediately and ride price up. What's this guy saying? This guy he has started his rubbish. So this is what I mean. Before you say I've started my rubbish, if this place, instead of coming down, if price fails it and goes up, we wait for a retest of it and we ride price up into these zones. This trend line that we are looking at, right? Yeah. That is this. If price fails it, if price fails it, right? If price fails it, we just look for where to keep our stop loss. If price fails it, but if price does not fail it, our right price from this trend line that we are right now, a touch of it, our right price all the way into this low first, right? Then because price has earlier formed liquidity, it means price is going to go all the way down into the next low. And where is that next low? Where is that next low? This is the next low here, which is this 2600 regions. 2600 regions. Yeah, I right price into this next low. Do you understand what I'm saying? If price works out here, and I don't just enter immediately, price comes into the level, I will watch out for the candlesticks pattern that has been forming. I'll watch out for what I call weak rejections. Jeffrey Benson also calls it weak rejections. I'll also watch out for a clear bias of the BS or a clear bearish, any bearish confirmation. Any bearish confirmation at all. There's something called variation. Everybody uses it to trade, and I like it. Variation is when you see a bull, then you see an indecision, then you see a heavy bearish candle that covers both the bullish and the bearish. I've explained it to my VIP students. I don't need to explain it here. If you want to know that one, come to my VIP. Right? So we have that. After that, usually the price will come back to retest that indecision, and then you write it down here. That's what happened here. See it here. Bullish, indecision, bearish. Right here. And right after the bearish, what the price do? Use the indecision candle here. Price came back to tap it before it sold. Look at it. Look at it here. Look at it here. This place. After this indecision candle, price went down, came back into that indecision. So usually everybody will enter here, put the stop loss above here, and ride it into this next low or the next low before it, which is this. And usually price stops at that next low. So you will just ride it here. And you might be thinking that's not a lot of pips now. Okay, yes, here is 96 pips. It's not a lot of pips, Abi. I've seen you now. You that you like pips. So this is 96 pips. And that was what I used to enter the sell. I had this sell also. If you check the form, the other exchange, you see that we had this sell. Exactly that sell. Exactly that sell. Here. We had this sell here. We sold it all the way down. It was in the night too. Like I think that was Monday night or something. I called it out for the guys. Though I did not take it because it's Monday. It's Monday. I don't trade on Mondays. I just look at the markets and personally I don't want to trade on Mondays. Let me just have. I mean, this is not 95 now. We came to Forex so that we'll not do 95 again. So why are you not telling me to be trading every day? Is it 95? No, no. Hey, how are you doing? It's not 95. So right now, what we're looking at, and we have seen the overall move based on the 4 hours analysis we did here. Right? I'm expecting that if price breaks this trend line, then we'll wait for a retest of it and we'll ride price up into this zone. When we say confirmation, we'll close our buys and wait for a clear sell confirmation, and then we are selling price all the way down. Why are we selling price down? Because we are seeing price form what we call head and shoulder pattern. All right. Just that the only thing about head and shoulder, like I like to see head and shoulder that the right shoulder broke below. Like if I see a break below, this one did not break below, but it's still valid. Then retest before we go down. If this thing had broken below, I'd have loved it more. But it didn't break below, but it's still a valid one. We cannot ignore that part. It's still a valid one. It's still a very valid one because it's on the higher time frame, which is daily and 4 hours. Daily is a strong time frame. We cannot ignore anything that is forming there. Who are you to ignore what's forming on the daily charts? You cannot. So don't make the mistake of trying to ignore what is forming on the daily charts. Okay. So we'll just wait for this. Let's go into the 15 minutes and see if there's any clear entry point for us. If there's none, then we'll just wait, I guess. There's nothing really much going on right now. There's nothing really much going on right now, except that when price comes into the trend line, we're expecting a sell. Aside that, there's nothing really much going on right now. Trust me, there's nothing really much going on right now. So usually what guys do is inside of this whole zone they'll be trying to buy, which is not bad though. I mean, it's not bad. My guys do that also. They're trying to buy price up and all. But I don't like all those minor because 15 minutes is full of noise. What we are seeing right here, there's something called distribution of orders. So that's what is going on right here. All right, distribution of orders. Some of you call it consolidation. Yeah, it's consolidation, but I call it distribution of orders because after an impulsive, price will distribute orders well. Then it will do an impulse into another impulse. That's one thing about price. What do I mean? Distribution of orders, then an impulsive sell into another impulsive buy. This is what's going on there. So price, we're expecting either price would from here do an impulsive sell into an impulsive buy, or price will do an impulsive buy into an impulsive sell. The price will do something, but and the first impulse after the breakout is the fake, is the fake move. Do you understand what I'm saying? When you say consolidation, the very first impulse is fake. I bet you the very first impulse is fake. Unless it's on a higher time frame. But if you see it on 15 minutes, 5 minutes, it's fake. Trust me. This heavy impulsive sell was fake. Though I caught it. But it was fake. This was the original impulse here, which was a buy. That's why we came and made the higher than the previous high. Do you understand? So however the price move, however markets move, whenever I see the breakout, I'll wait. If the breakout is all the way down, then when it gets to this trend line, I'll buy. Because it's doing the opposite. If the breakout is all the way up, when it gets to this trend line, I'll sell. Do you understand? We don't own the market, so we cannot come up with the bias that markets must do this. What if it doesn't do that? I mean, you know the owner of the market. Are you? You know the owner of the market. All right? 10 pips na pips, so you better love size. If you know, you know. Of course. Of course. Of course, someone putting 500 lot size can't compare it to me that I'm putting 0.05, for example. Forex blogger, you didn't laugh. You understand what I'm saying? Like, we don't own the market. So wait for the move, wait for a clear bias, then you join them. And even when price moves, I beg you, try to see one of two things. Either you see weak rejections along a zone to confirm the new impulse, or you see candlestick, either you see candlestick formation or you see chart pattern. Those are the two things. Candlestick formation is the weak rejections, or you see the variation, which is bullish, bearish, bullish. If you see that, then good for us. Now, if you don't see that, wait for candlestick formation, wait for chart pattern. Chart pattern like what? Double bottoms, or head and shoulder, or bullish or bearish pennant. Wait for chart patterns. Do you understand? Because the issue with traders, and I tell all the newbies, I've been doing this for a long time. I've been trading cryptos for like 4 years, Forex for over 2 years. And one thing I've learned from this is many young boys want to just cash out, but they don't want to stay gradually to grow into whatever it is that they see as a future. It's good to just want to cash out, but it's not going to be scalable because you always want to overtrade and overtrade and overtrade and overtrade. And you see that thing overtrading kills you faster than using a demo account. Using a demo account kills you, but overtrading kills faster than using a demo account. Because after you overtrade and blow your account, guess what happens? You fund again. After frustration, you tell yourself you want to go and learn the strategy very well, and then you go and use a demo. So you are even worse than the person that started off with a demo. All right? So don't overtrade. Don't be moved by any candle that is moving anyhow. No, your work is to relax. Inner peace, mental peace. Wait. When you wait, see a clear confirmation, then go into the market. If there's no clear confirmation, what are you doing in the market? And always, emphasis on always enter the market on your 5 minutes time frame. What did I say? Always enter the market on your 5 minutes chart. Always. Weak rejections is clear around 5 minutes. Weak rejections, see, clear around 5 minutes. Bullish indecision, bearish, it's clear around 5 minutes. Tell me whatever it is, it's clear around 5 minutes. Always enter on your 5-minute chart. Always. Right? Always enter on your 5-minute chart. So right now, we're going to just hold on for the market. If you see price comes down here, remember we have a trend line. So I want you guys to be able to duplicate the trend line. Go to your 1 hour and then draw the trend line the way I drew mine. All right, trend line, first touch, second touch. Then if you see a tap of it again, we'll buy price up. If we don't, then we'll wait for a clear bias for the sell, and then we'll sell price down. Do you understand what I said? Remove this one. This one is not clear yet until you see a breakout of that place. But right now, I'm expecting more of the sales. That's just my expectation. If it doesn't go, I'm not doing out the market. My work is to look at the market based on professional knowledge. I'll guess this is where I think price is going. Now, the way this 1 hour candle is closing now, we're going to see a bullish move. It's closing as indecision, but it had a bullish run first. So we're going to see another bullish run before any sell. Another bullish one, unless it closes completely bearish. But now the 1 hour chart, the 1 hour candle has closed completely, and it closed this way. So we're going to see a bullish move. So guys, I want to buy. I mean, feel free. Just I won't buy. The bullish move, I think it has even started. We'll see a bullish move before any bearish move, but we'll first see a bullish move because of the way the candle just closed on the 1 hour. And these things you have to learn by staying with the charts. Now, two things very quickly before we call it a day. I see boys telling me every time that they're not cashing out as much as they want to, and stuff. First of all, you guys should click thumbs up on this video so that YouTube can recommend it to other people. Do it now. Click the thumbs up button on this video so YouTube can recommend it. Anyways, like I was saying, I see boys coming to tell me every time that they want me to teach them my secrets in the market. Bro, I don't have a secret. My only secret is I stayed long enough with the chat. I mean, I stayed with my grind. I didn't lose focus. Many of you guys want the quick profit, but you don't want to stay with the chat. I mean, morning up. Even me that I sabi trading, over the weekend I was watching videos. From Q-Banks, watching videos from boys that know what they're doing. All right, Ejimi, Dapo Willis. I was watching videos from these guys. All right. Now it looks like why are you with all your years of experience still watching videos? I mean, why does the doctor still go for professional trainings? It doesn't mean that the doctor does not know what to do. No, you have to keep your mind alive. Your information has to be fresh. If not, you won't be relevant in the market. All right, and everywhere is a market. I won't be relevant in this market if the information I have is no longer fresh. Do you understand? So you guys need to stay long with the chart. If you stay long with the chart, you're gonna crack the code. I bet you. Do something. I stayed the whole day looking at the candles. I didn't click buy or sell. I was just looking at the candlestick formations, looking at what's going on. Guess what happened? It built my resilience. I became more familiar with the chart just by doing that. I became more familiar with the chart. So you guys keep your eyes fixed on this sheet. Like, keep your eyes fixed on this sheet. The longer you stay with the chart, the better you become. Remember, Forex trains you. It teaches you more about yourself than the 95. Forex trading teaches you more about yourself than the 95. I think you should record that part and let the world know what I just said right now. Forex trading teaches you more about yourself than a 95. So if you stay long enough with the charts, you not only get better in self-mastery, you also get better in understanding the rules that bind that bind success in every discipline. The rules that bind success in every discipline. Whether you are a trader, whether you are you're Lai Wasabi, that is a lawyer, whatever you are, whoever you are, it doesn't really matter. As long as you stay long with this shit, bro, you're gonna crack the code. As long as you stay long with this shit, you're going to crack the code. I can bet you're going to crack the code. If you're not cashing out, you still need proper psychology and get information. Now, let me tell you the reverse part of things. You see that psychological shit that people tell you every time that your psychology is messed up, It's just because you don't know what to do. If you know what to do, you don't have psychological problems. Psychological problems are technical problems. in our mind. I just broke your table. I'm so sorry, but I'm still not sorry. Psychological problems are technical problems in your mind. Psychological problems are technical problems in your mind. Tell me what the psychological problem you have over trading. If you know the market very well, you know that this market is not ready for me, and you will not enter the market. Have you solved that psychological problem of over trading? Yes. So how do you solve it? By learning the technical part of things. Tell me another psychological problem. You don't know when to cut profits. If you know when price will reverse, at this price level, price will reverse, you will take your profit at that price level or before price gets to that level. So that's a technical problem, not a psychological problem. Tell me another psychological problem. You are not patient enough to enter. If you understand candlesticks formation, you will understand that this formation means it's not yet ready. This one means it's ready, and you will enter when it's ready. Have you solved that problem? So psychological problems are technical problems in your mind. Bring them out of your mind and look at it. It's just technical problem. One of your problems is not following your rules. Okay, so let me tell you, that is not a psychological problem. That's a personal discipline. The only way to follow your rules is to follow your rules. I just broke your table. The only way to follow your rules is to follow your rules. I have rules and regulations in trading. And then these things are not yet tick, but I want to enter. Is it trading psychology or personal discipline? It's just personal indiscipline. It shows how much of how indisciplined you are. So that was never a psychological problem. That was just you choosing to be stubborn. If I tell you that for following your rules, I will give you extra $100, no matter how rich you are in life, you follow those rules. So set a reward and a consequence for not following your rules. Set it for yourself. If I follow my rules, this is the reward I will give to myself. Meaning, if I follow my rules, I will trade. If I don't follow my rules, I will not click that by yourself, whether price is ready for me or not. When you tell yourself that, you know that if price is ready, and you figure out you didn't follow your rules, you're not allowed to click by yourself. I bet you stay disciplined enough to follow those rules. Thank you, sir. Thank you too. I really needed this talk about discipline. Yeah, I think everybody needs it. I also need it. But by God's grace, I'm not trying to boast or anything. I've worked on my discipline so much that if price is not ready, I'm not entering. There's nothing you want to tell me. I'm not going to enter. I can bet my laptop on it. This is MacBook Pro 2022. I can bet it. I can bet the whole 1.7 million naira laptop on what I just said now. Now. I can even bet my 14 Pro Max. I can bet my screen. I can bet my light. I can bet my mouse. I can bet everything on what I just said. If price is not ready for me, I'm not going in. I've gotten my fingers burnt many times. I don't want you to learn the way I learned. I learned the hard way. I don't want you to learn the hard way. Relax. Efokobale. Relax. 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 How do you say it? Efokobale. Look at the chart. It's not ready. Go away. Come back later. Let me even tell you the funny part. And this is what I use to crack the code of indiscipline in my life. This is my biggest secret I've told my students. I've never said it outside, but I'll say it outside now. So those that are still on this call, you are lucky enough to hear it. I come to the market every day at 7 a.m. I stay in the market from 7 a.m. till 9:30. If I don't see any entry within that time frame, I'm going out. Guess when I'm coming back? 1 p.m. If I stay at 1 p.m., let's say 12:30 a.m., 12:30 p.m., 1 p.m., I will be in the market again. From that time till 3 p.m., if I don't see anything again, I'm out. Let's calculate it. 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 9:30. That's 2 hours 30 minutes. Then 12:30 to 1. That's making it 3 hours. 1 to 2, 2 to 3. So in the market, I'm allowed to stay in the market for 4 to 5 hours every day, no more than that. By 11 a.m., you cannot find me on the chart looking for a new signal. If you find me on the chart at 11 a.m., I have a trade running already. The beginning of each new session, each new trading session provides a new trading opportunity. If you understand that, you will not be in the market every time. That's your problem. You have been in the market every freaking time. How much have you made? I'm not trying to shade nobody, but how much have you made? You've been in the market every time. How much have you made? The biggest moves happen when each session is about to start. A session is about to start 7 to 9. I'm in the market looking for entry. That's when, just like you want to enter flights. Flight is for 7 p.m. You're coming by 10. The train has gone. The plane, the train, the train, whatever thing has gone. Flight is 7 p.m. You're coming at 7 a.m. You are going to waste their time at the counter. Because you just be sitting down at the waiting room there. You sit down and waste their time. Don't come by 7 a.m. The flight is for 7 p.m. Go home and come back again by maybe 6 or 5. So market is starting at 8 a.m. Let's say 7:30, because the time changes. I really am not completely certain about the time. 7:30 or 8 when price is about to move. I come by 7 to look for the move, identify it. I join them if I see a move. If I don't see a move, I'm out. I come back again by 12:30. Because between 9:30 and 12:30, everything that is happening there is a continuation of what has started. If what I'm saying is making sense, write sense in the chat box. Write sense in the chat box. What I just said or what I'm saying, if it's making sense to you, write sense in the chat box. Do you understand what I'm saying? So you come into the market by 7, 9:30, you don't see anything, you go away completely. Don't wait. There's nothing for you there. Go away completely. Come back again by 12:30. Stay there till 3. There's nothing for you there. Go away. Why are you in the market by 4 looking for a new signal? Now your papa get the market, Abi. Unless you're trying to look for NFP move or all of those things. I'm not against you. NFP is even in the afternoon. Maybe FOMC sometimes, or maybe FOMC 7 p.m. Maybe that's what you're looking for. Maybe. Do you understand what I'm saying? So ask me your questions. Please talk of TenTrade. I'm looking to buy a 3K live account. Hope that will be possible. 3K live account is $100, 100% possible. Check the description on this video. You see a link there. Click on the link, open an account, go ahead and purchase your instant live account. I don't want you guys to be passing evaluation again. I'm sorry. I know it looks like I'm talking down on prop firm. My friends have a prop firm. I'm not talking down on their prop firm. I love their prop firm. In fact, I have an account, not one. I have like four trading accounts with them, right? That's I don't want to mention names, but then you already know the problem I'm talking about, right? I'm not talking down on that, but TenTrade gives you instant live account, no evaluation, instant live account. $10,000 instant live account is $300. So go to my description, you see a link there, click on that link, and then go ahead and start. Over trading kills you, okay? The time zone. We have sense everywhere. Sense in the chat box. Sense in the chat box. Sense in the chat box. Sense. Judah, yeah, but you guys already know Judah. Judah is one of my best students. I love him so much. He has been so reliable, and he's a very good guy. He has a training he did or he's doing. I don't know if he's done with it, right? Teaching people how to trade synthetics on Quaco Broker, because he was the one that withdrew $9,000 plus on Consummate Quaco Broker, It was the first withdrawal, very first withdrawal. She's the one that Abby brought to Lagos, celebrated, and all of all. So Judah is my student. I taught him Forex, and I'm proud to say that anywhere, anytime. So you guys go ahead and connect with him. Great guy. We have Gabriel. How reliable is robots in trading? How reliable is robots in trading? Robots. Well, I'm not going to talk down on robots because one of my very good friends, Pastor Jimmy, he sets up something or he has something about around that. Um, Robots are good. The only thing is like every other technology, robot fails because if the market moves, if the market trend changes or the sentiment around the markets changes, maybe a new season, maybe we're in summer. In summer, there's the way the market moves. And what if the robot is conditioned for only summer? That way, the robot will fail for other times, all right? So, all of those things are what you can't really adjust with robot trading. But robot trading is good. If you have multiple robots that know how to trade each trading season, then go ahead, get robots. I'm not going to talk down on that, okay? Since lack of discipline kills, of course. In fact, discipline itself kills faster. Oh my god, I'm not here to talk about that. I beg you. I beg you. Discipline kills faster. So imagine you are so disciplined that you want to sell and price just broke your sell zone, but you're disciplined enough not to change that bias. Guess what happens? You blow your account. When you see bias have moved, when you see price has changed its trend, follow the trend. Unless your discipline is to be indisciplined, don't worry. It's to confuse you. Unless your discipline is to change, what's the word? Unless your discipline is to change your bias when the market changes its bias. Ah, I like that. You don't dey vex, na your baba get the market. Oh my god. 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 So right now I just have that trend line up, trend line down, and I have my major price zones. So for this level, this is the price zone here. And when price gets to this level, I want to see how price reacts here before I do anything. I want to see what price does here first. Okay? Based on what price does here, if it's something healthy enough, then I'll look for buying momentum. Then, excuse me. Then this is the only place where I'm looking for sell. I'm not going to sell here. I'm not going to sell here because we have so many touches here. And price came to clear first liquidity. So I think price might do same thing or just get here and drop. So if price fails this particular trend line, I'm waiting for this higher zone here. Okay. It says we know about the problem I'm talking about. I hear you. Thank you, sir. Oh, thank you, my boy. Thank you. Synthetics connect with Judah Ahiyaba. I can attest to that, coach. Awesome. Judah is a great guy, actually. Very, very great guy. Humble. When you have money but you're still humble, that kind of humble. That's who Judah is. Aside that 9K withdrawal he did that time, he has done multiple withdrawals. He's just very humble and quiet. Yeah. If you are looking for him, go to my page. I'm following him. So go and look for who I'm following, then follow him from there. Okay? What made you profitable in the long run? I love the way you do your looking. Okay. I love the way you do your looking to see. I love the way you do or you do yours. Looking to see you soon. Yeah, you can see me soon. Lagos Money Week. It's coming up in October. So guys, go ahead and put Lagos Money Week in the chat box. Just write Lagos Money Week. Let's make some noise about Lagos Money Week. I want to record that. So go ahead and do that. I want to record that. Let's make some noise about Lagos Money Week, guys. If you're really excited, let's make some noise about Lagos Money Week, So write Lagos Money Week in the chat box. Let me quickly talk about Lagos Money Week. It's a Forex sorry, not Forex. Oh my god. It's a financial event coming up in October. It's not Forex. I have to correct that. All right. It's a financial conference coming up in October. The reason I said it's not Forex is because we are touching across every other industry. We are touching aviation, we are touching real estate, we are touching Forex, crypto, we are touching agriculture, we we are touching influencing, we are touching social media, we are touching digital marketing, we are touching UI, UX, and video editing and everything. Think of it. We are even touching health. We have health professionals coming to talk. So it is a financial career event. It's not Forex only. It's not Forex only. I said you guys should put Lagos Money Week in the chat box, and I'm not seeing Lagos Money Week everywhere. You guys go ahead and do that. Go ahead and do that. Lagos Money Week. Let's make some noise about Lagos Money Week. So if you really, so you know what we're doing. If you're really excited about Lagos Money Week, go ahead and put Lagos Money Week in the chat box right now. Go ahead and put Lagos Money Week in the chat box right now. See Lagos Money Week everywhere. Lagos Money Week everywhere. Lagos Money Week, Lagos Money Week, Lagos Money Week, Lagos Money Week everywhere. Power, power. So you know what we're doing? If you're really excited about Lagos Money Week, go ahead and put Lagos. Power, power. What makes you do? You do your things. Hoping to see you soon. Okay, thank you. Still Lagos Money Week, literally everywhere, everywhere. So that's all from me today. Any other question before we call it a day? It's been an awesome time and I enjoyed myself. I really enjoyed myself. I love to do this every Mondays with you guys because you guys bring out the fire in me. Without you guys, where would I be? Who would I be? Nobody will know me. Because you guys know me, that's why I'm known. I'm popular because you guys, sort of made me popular. Well, God did, but then no play. Oh my God. Any question? Any other question before we call it a day? No other question? Then this is official sign out from me. See you at the top, not from the top. Because you know what to say, the bottom is way too crowded, okay? So we have consolidation right now. Price is consolidating. What you want to do is to wait for the breakout. If it breaks down and gets here, you can try a buy. If it breaks up and gets here, you can try a sell. Okay? Right now we're in a consolidation. We can't really make a move here. And this is a 1 hour consolidation. Also on 15 minutes, we have same consolidation. So we can't really make a move right now. Consolidation means indecision. So you don't know what the market will do. You really don't know. I really don't know. Okay? So that's all from me today. Official sign out. I love you guys so much. I want to pray for you quickly that your week is blessed, your week is favored, your week is prosperous, and the Lord is going to honor you this week. He's going to favor you. He's going to show you mercy. Financially, this is your best week ever, all your life. You're going to make so much money that you question yourself. In terms of knowledge and expertise, the Lord is going to grant you information, premium, superior information that is going to transform your entire life forever, cause a significant shift and a quantum leap in your life. I bless you by the power of the Holy Spirit right now. Go into your week and make success. In Jesus' name I pray for you. Amen. Bye. Thank you very much, sir. Much love. We appreciate. Thank you, Coach. Amen. Lagos Money Week. Amen. Thank you so much, Coach. Thank you too. God bless you. Bye.